All right, so I'm about to switch out my office table. As you can see, I got this tiny one right here, and I've been using it for a while. It's actually worked so far for the last couple of years that I've had it, but it's time to upgrade. I got this 55-inch. I got the Dell monitor I'm going to put on it later on. But first, we got to get this out of here, so let's do that right now. All right, I got the other table all out of here. It's time to bring this guy in and get started. All right, so I got all my parts laid out. Definitely want to have everything laid out. That way you're not fumbling around. Not too many parts, so we'll see how long this takes me. I need to invest in one of them Fantic, make this process faster for me. I went and switched this out for something a little bit faster, just a little bit faster, because this one ain't it. But I definitely need to invest in the Fantic ones. I know y'all seen it on TikTok. Grew this in a little bit faster for me, but meantime, this is what I got, and there it is. That ain't going nowhere, and it will go right there.